Hello and welcome to Gone Exploring. Today we are back in Bintime. Except a few things have changed. They raised the prices some. Each item now on Saturdays and Sundays is $5 each. And they're planning to move in April, and I will insert the new address here. Let's go explore. So this is how it works. You get a bag and you fill it, and when you fill your bag, you leave. You can come in and out as much as you want, but you only get one bag full at a time. And there's the rules. So let's go see what they have in some of these bins. So everything you can imagine is in here. Anything that is returned from Amazon. Oh, Legos. Anything that is returned from Amazon comes here. Well, one of the places. Oh, look at this. So cute. The little miniature kitchen table and chairs. So, as you can see, there are a lot of bins here. That's why it's called Bintime. Well, they have a bunch of cell phone holders for your car. Magnets with mounting screws, so you just don't know what's going to be in here. That's the fun part. It's like going exploring and treasure hunting all at the same time. See, anything. Oil pump. The problem is, a lot of the stuff you can't really tell what it is. You're not supposed to open the boxes. And sometimes they'll tell you like something on the box. Oh, it's an electric kettle. So this place is open Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. There's a lot of bags in here. All kinds of different kinds of... Oh wow. These are I don't know what these are. Clown feet shoes? I guess this would be good for water. I think they're, what do you call that? You can go in the water with the, go over here, see what's over here. Oh, neat bag. See, a lot of bags. I'm actually looking for either curtains. This is heavy, whatever this is. Oh my god, it's so heavy. No idea what it is, but it's heavy. I'm looking for a bathroom mat, curtains, other things like that. A lot of people, they go online to see what things are worth because they resell them on eBay and stuff. But me, I just pretty much just look for things I could use and things that I like. Huh. That's interesting. This used to have a tripod, but it no longer does. Electric beard straightener. I'm okay with that. I have a very, very fancy, I don't know what. Can't be a goblet because there's holes through it. Oh, my bag is very full. I think I'm going to have to check out because it's very heavy. Plus they have a neti pot. I kind of want it, but I've reached my weight limit. Stuff is getting pretty heavy. Look at this. This is cool. It's a gooseneck stone holder. LED desk lamp. That's cool too. Well, whatever this is, it doesn't need any drilling.
Here, I'll take a picture of it real quick and send it to you.
What is this?
You there?
Hey. Alright, now I have to hold out for just the coolest stuff because it's getting really heavy.